Ever felt like your phone's about to spontaneously combust when you're gaming? You're not alone. That fiery feeling, it's mostly your phone's brain and graphics processor, the CPU and GPU, running a marathon at full sprint. Gaming demands massive computational power. Think of all those complex graphics, intricate calculations, and speedy reactions. They push your hardware to its absolute limits. And whenever components work that hard, they generate a ton of heat. It's like a tiny supercomputer in your pocket, trying to keep up with console-level demands. Sometimes, it even slows down a bit to protect itself from melting. That's your phone smartly throttling performance. Your phone a furnace, a fiery quest. Graphics maxed, put to the test. CPU screams, GPU sweats. Performance highs bring heated regrets. So next time it's scorching, know it's just working hard for you. If this little tech tidbit cooled things down for your brain, why not warm up my engagement stats? Hit that like button and subscribe faster than your phone heats up.